Russia's army has corroded over time to something even more insane than what it was from the beginning. As equipment and troop losses add up, their desperation grows, making them send more and more troops with ridiculous mean, like desert cross vehicles, Lada cars, four-wheelers, motorcycles with more, having both Ukraine's army and drone army working hard to stop and cause significant losses for Russia's side. Leaving a lot less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.